Hey guys, do you guys have a Honda powered lawnmower that your air filter cover keeps falling off like this? You push it on all the way and it just keeps falling off and won't stay on. Don't go buy a new one of these covers quite yet. I'm going to show you how to fix this thing. This is so ridiculously easy to fix, so fast. I'm probably not even going to get 2 sips of Budweiser down showing you how to do this. This is part of my Fast Fix playlist. If you guys want a quick link to that, right up here in the I button, I got a link for you there if you want to go back and see my Fast Fix playlist. Here we go. Hey guys, welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon. Thanks for coming back. Oh, by the way, don't forget to click on the links that I have in the description of this video. They're going to take you back to some interesting places like my parts and tools store, my website, stuff like that. As a matter of fact, I got a quick link up here for you, also in the information button, to get you back to my website really quick, if you like. We're talking about a lawnmower engine today, but at the end of this video, I got another little tip for you, so stay tuned for that. So why is this cover falling off all the time? When we put it on here like this, you're trying to click it into place and it won't snap in there like it used to. It keeps falling off. It's because of these 2 little tabs right here. You see these tabs right here have kind of come down a little bit. They've relaxed a little bit. The plastic is just kind of warped a little bit. They're not in the same position that they used to be when this was a brand new cover. Easy. Whip your Bic lighter out of your pocket and we're going to warm this up. If you don't have a Bic lighter, I've actually tried this before. This works great too. A hair dryer. We just need to warm that up a bit. Go use your wife's hair dryer. She's not going to mind, especially if you go put it back before she notices. I'm going to use my Bic lighter though. Check this out. You don't need to get it that hot. You just need to do that, warm it up right underneath that tab, like this. And I know that I'm not getting it too hot when I do that, so I'm just going to use my bare fingers because I know. But you wear a pair of gloves if you like, if you think that might be too hot on your fingers. And then you just grab that tab right there, and you bend it up, and it bends up real easy. And hold it there. Hold it there and let it cool for a little bit. You can even just, once it stays there for a bit, you can just blow on it. Blow with your air compressor or something like that. Just let it cool down. Now look at the difference between that tab right there that I just bent up and the one that's still relaxed and down like that. You see that difference? This one's going to catch right here, and this one is still not going to catch to hold the air filter cover in place like it's supposed to. Do the same thing with the other tab now. Warm it up. And bend that up. Let it cool. And once that's cooled down, you'll see that both of those tabs are up way higher than they were before. Now watch this. We put that right on there, and listen to this. It snaps right into place. You see that? Those tabs are up where they should be now. I can't push that off with my thumbs. You see this? I cannot do that now unless I push those tabs down with my thumbs to release them like it was originally intended to do. How easy was that? That didn't cost a penny to do that, you guys. Oh yeah, the little tip, we're talking about a lawnmower engine, a vertical shaft GC engine right there. You can also have the exact same air filter cover on your horizontal shaft engine, your GC models. You can do the exact same thing on there, except it's not as critical on these ones because it's on the top. Can't really come off and your air filter come off anyway like a lawnmower engine can on the side. But come on guys. Give me that thumbs up button. You got to hit that like button for me on this one. You guys didn't spend a penny doing this. Share this video with your friends, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't for more money-saving tips. As always, I'm always trying to do that for you guys. And throw some comments down. Come on, throw some comments down on this video. Tell me, did it work? What do you think? Do that for me. And next video is coming up real soon, guys. Steve out.